Hi, this is Dr. Friedlander, and in this video, I just want to talk about the normal curve that we spoke about in class last week. And I'm just going to draw some lines so that we can get a good description of this. So remember, we used the term, this is the normal curve. And this is we're going to talk about this in relationship to IQ. So I'm going to draw this in, and you'll also note that we also spoke about this as the bell curve. You can see with the tails going out over here. We also spoke about lines that drop in here, and we talked about standard deviation. So this would be +1, and then this is the symbol for standard deviation. And then we're going to go out to here, and then this is -1 standard deviation. So and this is going to be 0, or this can also be the mean. And we talked about the Wechsler IQ, and that has a mean of 100, and it has a standard deviation of 15. So it has a standard deviation of 15 points. So one standard deviation above the mean is 115. One standard deviation below the mean is 85. If we go out to 2 standard deviations, so this is +2 standard deviations, and if we go out to -2 standard deviations, we can take a look at the percentage of individuals that would fall within that. So we have approximately 34% that are 1 standard deviation above the mean, and if 34% 1 standard deviation below. If we were to shade in this area which reflects 1 standard deviation above and below, you can see that it accounts for 68% of the population. Going out to 2, this represents another 13%. And then if we go out to 3 standard deviations, this will pick up another approximately 2%. Going out to the tails. So again, if you look at the number of individuals that fall between 2 standard deviations, it would be 68 plus 26. So we probably have, so about, now you get about 94% of all the individuals can be accounted for in between 2 standard deviations. So that's 68, 78, 81, 91, 94%. And again, if we look at this accounts for 13%. So this will explain the normal curve. And as we talked about on the Wechsler scale, we have a mean of 100 and a standard deviation of 15. So I hope this helps you to understand the normal curve.